What's up, YouTube? I am back with the Street Legal side-by-side, and I'm going to attempt to install an Apple CarPlay that I found on Amazon. It's a 9-inch screen. We're going to unwrap the side-by-side because I haven't opened it up all winter. And let's do an installation. Follow me and have some more fun on this journey. I don't know if you guys could hear that, but it's the first day of Ramadan, so you hear the mosque. Oh, it's filthy inside there. All right, let's go and unbox what we have in the box. Instructions. Screen, more instruction manual, hardware hookup, and looks like a review camera. Put this up there. Move this out the way. All right, we're in. So I have this already for the tablet, and I don't know if you can see inside there. I already have a bus system hooked up, so I could either continue to hook it up through this, the lighter, which is, why is it stuck in it? Okay, I could do it through this, because in there I have the lighter hookup, but this is where I have the fans, so this is where I have the fans, so I don't know. Let me hook it up with the lighter hookup first, and then we'll see if I could just strip the wires and put it to the bus system. All right, so it comes with a camera. That's pretty dope with the screws and the attachment. So I'm gonna be able to run a camera to the back with some reverse. So I'm assuming I'm gonna have to click it into reverse itself, because this one looks like it's wired up. So when you hit the brake, or when you hit it in reverse, comes on. All right. This is power. Oh, I gotta really read into it. All right. So far, look. It's gonna look pretty cool. I'm probably gonna use some Velcro or some double-sided tape to make sure it doesn't flop around, or hopefully it don't overheat or nothing. It's got like a little speaker. Okay, all right, so I know it's loud, but I got everything running. I had to just cast everything to my phone, my Android. It was a simple plug and play. It looks cool. I'm gonna clean up all these wires. Then I'm gonna work on this rear view camera thing. So very easy, very cool, quick little video, add some fun. Let's continue work. Okay, one more thing. I bought these little seat savers, and I'm gonna slide these on. I think they just slide on to the side where you get in and out. They go right here. Keep you from rubbing on this plastic on your ass. I think this is the right side or the other side. Either way, I'm gonna put these on. I think it goes in this side. Oh no, the other side. Okay. It should say right or left, but I guess not. Slide this bad boy on. Yep. Just to keep you from, hitting that plastic. This is pretty cool. I'm gonna go do the other side. So since I have to have it on the car running, I'm gonna show you how it's hooked up first. I got the camera, so I got my reverse set up. Android. I could go to my Waze navigation. I could play songs. Go back to my phone, back to home. This thing is super dope. Apple CarPlay. I'm gonna show you. I just ran the wires and hooked up the camera. So easy peasy, man. It's like a 5-minute job, but this is really cool. Try to put one into your side. It's gonna make my street legal adventure just more fun, you know? All right, everybody. Thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe, all that cool stuff, and more videos to come, more vlogs. Thank you very much. Ride safe, ride safe.